Okay, hello, welcome to our Momenti Garage. Today we're going to take flat pieces of metal and turn them into homemade rocker panels because you can do it. It's easy. I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to do to make this into a rocker panel, a lower rocker panel, an outer rocker panel for your Bronco. These are actually pieces of scrap that I acquired from a job site that I was on. They were just going into the trash. I said, hey, can I have those? And they said, take them, they're yours. And so I said, okay, this will be awesome. And they just scratched their heads and they were like, I don't know what this guy's up to, but anyway. So these panels actually have a little curve on the end of them. They were pressed this way. They're actually, what they are, they're actually back covers to all these AV racks that we were building for a university up in Boston. So they were just going to get thrown away anyway, and so I reallocated them. So what I ended up doing is I cut them right here on either side. It takes about 2 1/4 of these lengths to make an actual, I think it was 30 inches rocker panel. So I have to basically meet these two like this. I was very careful in how I cut them. They're almost perfect 90-degree angles, so when I do weld them back together, they'll be good to go. So, but I'm going to show you, I have a little 30-inch brake that you probably have seen on some of my other videos, and if you haven't, well, you're going to get to see them again. And this brake is going to put basically a little 1/2 inch fold right here, a little 90-degree 1/2 inch, and then this is the part that's very tricky, is getting that rocker bow. That's the thing that you really want to concentrate. And I figured out what the measurements are, and I'll give those to you as soon as we start doing stuff on the brake. So let's describe this. As long as I keep this consistent across the different panels. So the pressure is being applied across it. This brake is probably about a 7 out of 10. It's lacking a there. Right there, hold that down. So that one would fit right there. Do it. This is the shape that I'm ultimately going after. That's going to be the shape of it. This is from the driver's side the driver's side rocker panel that I did. 1/2 inch bit. See, it's going to be 90. All right. Good. All right. There you go. So that's the. Alright, so now what we got to do is we have to bend this one. See how this one's going to go? So now we have to bend this. Oops. Now we have to bend this one this way. So let me get myself. There we go. So the measurement is 110 millimeters or 11 centimeters. So it's 11 millimeters. No, 11 centimeters from the top. So you have to go in 11 millimeters here. what I found out was I have to match this to the top of the brake up here, and then take my hold down bar, put it at 110, because what I want to do is I want to give it a gradual curve. Okay, I want that gradual curve. I don't want a sharp curve, I want a gradual curve. And putting it down. Now, let's see, do this in a way so you can see exactly what's going on. See how that's bending that up gradually, very slowly. And it's kind of find the angle here. We've got a little bit more to go. See how that's a nice gradual. I'm just kind of pushing it up. And a little bit more. A little bit more. And that's going to do it. So there's my original rocker panel, and here's the one that I just fabbed up. As you can see, it's pretty close. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, and I'm very happy with it. And we're going to do 2 more of these and weld them together, and then I've got a rocker panel. So I'm going to match this up here. I'm going to put it up against the inner rocker, and as you can see, it's very, very, very close, if not perfect. So I'm very happy with this. Okay, so there's the rocker panel kind of mocked up. This is 2 out of the 3 pieces going together. So I'm just going to do some welding and get it put together. Okay, so the last thing that I did was I made these little tabs. I basically cut and I notched out in the middle in that little area right there, and then I notched that one out as well. So that way I could bend these over and make the side of the panel look a little bit more presentable, so there wasn't just like a sharp edge. And I will do that on the other side as well. So there you have it. It's a rocker panel. You know, it's not perfect, but it's going to do the trick. I think it's going to look really good. Alright, so that's how you build an outer rocker panel for your Early Bronco out of scrap metal. Hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you like and subscribe.